wants to. It wants to.
Right here.
Hey, what's over there?
Definitely not died or anything like that.
Holy cow, that's close.
Here we go. Tornado.
There it is.
Tornado on
There
the
it is.
All right, back up, back up. It's going to go again, that's for sure.
Oh, yeah.
And in fact, there may already be a tornado there.
So
All
hard.
right, back up. Just let it back up, back up.
Well, that wind kicked up like none other.
There we go.
Oh. It wants to. There it is. It's going. It's going. Yeah. Steve Glazier, number 3. Oh, it's.
Okay, guys.
All right, here we go.
It's on the
Ready?
ground.
Thank you. Oh, it's gone.
Oh, dude, don't worry. Don't
There'll be plenty more. That's 3. Keep track. It's 3. I can't believe this is happening.
I'm stealing your guys' pictures, by the way.
You can steal all you want.
This is a lawn chair chase. Look at the upward motion there, huh? It's so cool. I'd say we'd have some low LCLs, huh? There goes. Hey, look at the other wall cloud over here, guys.
I know, that's what I was pointing at.
There's another one down here.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, here it comes.
Is it going again? It's like smoke.
There we go.
Now, what the hell is that?
What is
Downburst!
Microburst?
Microburst.
I don't know.
I hope not.
No, that's in the inflow.
Blow our car over.
Could be a
Oh, here it comes.
There, look it, look it, look it.
Yeah, it's.
I don't really care right now.
Oh, tornado.
Oh. Yeah.
Trying, dude.
That thing's close.
There's contact on the ground. There's debris.
Yeah, there's debris right
There's
there.
debris on the ground?
Yeah.
The whole thing is weakening, though.
Is that 4? What?
Does that count?
No.
Did that count as 1?
Yeah, that was on.
Okay, that's 4.
It's all the same
4.
tornado. It might
No,
be
it's
one-
not.
That whole thing might be a tornado.
Yeah, that's what I'm beginning to think, that the whole thing.
I think the whole, it's just a butt dragging mezzo.
It's an axial downdraft
Yeah,
down the middle
yeah,
of the
yep.
vortex.
I think you're right. I think the whole damn thing is a tornado.
Still stuck. I just got hit with a prison hand.
Look at the other wall cloud over there, too. This is crazy.
Yeah, he says there's a strong mezzo on that storm.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's going to repeat over again.
I think. Oh, here comes. Oh, look at it right there.
Look at there it
That's
is.
pretty.
Yeah, there we go.
Come on.
Yep.
I'm taking video, not pictures. Should I be taking pictures?
Gonna try again, guys.
We're gonna go down.
Dude, that's on the ground. You just can't see it. It's rain wrapped. That is definitely on the ground.
Yeah, now there it is.
That's pretty. Oh my God, that is beautiful.
Beautiful.
Oh, are you getting video? All right.
Oh,
That's okay.
beautiful.
Look at the hey, look at the debris cloud at the very bottom.
So there's a tornado between us and the beauty.
Dude, can you take a picture of me?